Let's see, is that a little bit better? It's a little bit better. Hold on, let me turn it just a bit more. All right, now that should be good. All right. Ooh, hold on. I still got a bit of a mess going on here. Hold on. There we go. All right. Get that plugged in all the way. All right. Hello. Excuse me. All right. So, I believe I've managed to work out a lot of my Unreal issues. Ooh, that's still a little bit laggy. Oh, that might be a capture card issue. That looks pretty smooth actually in that display. Perfect. So, just making sure everything's still going. So yesterday no, it wasn't yesterday. It was earlier this week. I was going to be working on the inventory and was having some issues with my headset connecting correctly. So hopefully everything is working correctly today. I think I've managed to fix a lot of my issues. So yeah, I also no longer have the flashing. I don't entirely know what causes that, but I switched distros again. I switched distros way too much. But yeah. There we go. All right, so maybe I should say I haven't yet actually tried the VR with Unreal, but I have tried it with other things and it has worked so far. So we're gonna try real quick. Oh, well, that's a good sign. Hold on. Settings. This might be why. Hold on. Let's go and restart this. That was an excellent start so far. That's right. At the very least, it opens up pretty quickly, so there's not too much to worry about. I am still annoyed whenever I plug it into my capture card, my resolution has to decrease down just a little bit. And for whatever reason, when there's that resolution change, like everything just, like all of my applications and stuff either look way too big or way too small. It drives me a little crazy. It should be fine. There we go. All right. Oh, that's right. I was working on this yesterday. This is going to... I was working on trying to put this into a plugin for Patreon, and I ended up breaking like everything. So let's fix this real quick first. These are all the custom rooms that I'm working on. So hold on. Let's see here. Find event to complete. I think I just need to recreate these. Oh, I'm having that issue again. That can go into there. And then I can just delete these two real quick. So that should all work. Perfect. Let's see here. We got anything else? Call room complete. I basically just need to reconnect everything now. It did something weird when I tried to bring everything over. So apparently, when you try to copy things over to a plugin and you use the advanced copy stuff, something that I had found out that I didn't realize was a thing is when you do that, it kind of takes over everything. So I don't even think I still have the generator in the level right now. Because it like the one that I transferred over into a plugin kind of like took over as the new one there, which is really, really weird. Yeah, I don't think I see it in here. Hold on. Yeah, I do not see it. So I probably need to move all this stuff just into the plugin and just start messing around with that. Let me see. It's probably gonna give me the errors again. Recovery, sneak, and store. Okay. Oh, that's why I was in the blueprint log. Oh, let me just get all these open real quick. Oh, hold on. second. Where's my... Oh, there it is. Alright. Laptop is starting to fall asleep. There we go. Let me see here. Let me grab the others. So let's see. We got the sneak. And... store. Okay. Oh, it's an actor now, that's why. Boom. Should be this one. Oh, cool. That one just immediately fixed all my issues. Let's see. Yeah, see, so it like broke everything. So now all these different rooms are considered actors now. At the very least, once I switch these around, it looks like it fixes most of the issues. Which is nice. Alright, there we go. Now we should be all good. I might just need it. Oh, excuse me. I might just need to see if maybe I can just package for Android and just like upload it like through SideQuest or something. I think. Oh, that's weird. Because I don't know what this is doing that's not working. I wonder if maybe I need to change some of the settings in here. VR, OpenXR. Let's do this. Let me see if I can close this down. Let's see if maybe some of the project settings need to change or something. That could just be the issue. I did also start looking into those gameplay abilities, which is really neat. I actually started following along a low tutorial series to try and figure all of it out. I haven't yet gotten far enough where I'm actually using the abilities yet. Only the setup, I think, from what I understand. So I still need to finish going through all that as well. So that's nice. Let me see here. Just to make sure everything is still working. Perfect. All right. Let's try just real quick. Have a look at the project settings real quick. I'm assuming I probably... I'll look at Linux here. I think I did screw around with these a little bit a while back. So it could be that I broke something. I don't know if these need to be set, but I'll go and set them real quick just in case. Okay. I don't think I need Vulkan Mobile. I think that'll be fine. Yeah, I haven't yet set up the Android stuff yet. Maybe I'll have to do that real quick. Let me see if that happened to fix any of the issues. And the other thing I could try too is seeing if I could package it real quick, because that could also work, possibly. Because it shouldn't be taking this long to boot up. If it's taking this long, then I already know that there's an issue. Okay, let's try something a little different. Hold on. Let me open this up. I had this working before. I had to have done something in the project that caused this. I'd have to think that I did at least. Because this was working before, and now it's not. Now it's just kind of freezing, and I'm not entirely sure why. Let me try something here. I don't know how long it's going to take, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. Just go packages to documents. Actually, this might not take too long. While it's doing that real quick, I want to see if I can set up the Android packaging here. Hold on. Unreal Engine Android packaging. Next. I don't know if the packaging setup is that different, but better safe than sorry, I suppose. Here we go. Android SDK and NDK. Due to an update to the Android SDK command line tools in February 2023, users of Unreal Engine 4.27 through 5.1 need to edit the setup Android script used in this tutorial if you're experiencing. Oh my god, this would explain so much. Refer to the section on setting up command line tools for Android for more details. That would explain why I haven't been able to get this working yet. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Targeted the latest version, which referred to 8.0. Due to an update in February 2023, latest now refers to 9.0, and you will need to retarget 8.0 manually. Okay. Oh, this would explain so much right now. Hold on. Let me see if I can remember. Actually, let me go down this. Let me follow this as it's supposed to be followed. Let's see. Refer to the... Navigate to the Android Studio archive. Yep. Okay, and I don't know if you can use like a more updated version of 4.0, but I just use 4.0 specifically anyways, just to be safe. Just straight up 4.0. I might have gone too far. 4.0 Canary. I thought there was one that was just called 4.0. Here, we'll use this one. 4.0.2. This one. I think I just need to extract this to my home folder, if I recall. See, I think this is kind of the only thing that annoys me about Unreal and Arch is that we get this weird little trailing effect. Everything else, at least as far as I'm aware, seems to work pretty okay. Well, that's doing that. Let me see. I want to hide the hidden folders. UE 5.2. I think it's under Engine, Extras, Android. Here we go. Setup Android.sh. Let's have a quick look. I'm just going to look in here. Okay, how do we switch the version? It said that it was using latest, so maybe let's look up latest. Is this it? SDK manager path. Hold on. I might need to look this up real quick. Set up command line tools for Android. Does it not walk me through that? Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, it does walk me through. So, oh perfect, this is done too. Let me just go ahead and extract this to, hold on. Home folder. Okay, so hold on. It said, I think I am in the right spot. Set SDK manager. Dude, I'm trying to do too many things all at once. Hold on. SDK manager path. That was weird. SDK manager path. Hold on. It said there's a set. This can't be right. Hold on. Set SDK. Okay, I think part of this is a little wrong. SDK. Ooh. Path. Studio SDK command line tools. Okay, so yeah, right here it looks like. So it looks like this just needs to be changed to 8.0. I'd experienced this issue before, actually. I realized this the other day, that the very latest version of the command line tools actually does not work correctly, at least for the Linux version. I don't know if that's the same for every version of this, but for Linux that is an issue. Latest. Yeah, that was the only spot where there's latest. So I'm going to assume for now that that's where I was supposed to change things. Just in case. Line 92. Okay. I mean, I'm also live streaming this anyway, so I guess if something goes wrong, I can always go back through things. All right, I'll need to go back there in a second. I think it's in the bin, if I recall. Yeah, right here. Studio.sh. I think this is it. Yes, it is. There we go. I do not want to send usage statistics. Okay, let's go back up here a little bit. Let's see here. I think this is an older version. Oh no, I'm a little far behind. Okay. Let's see. It says custom. Next. I'm probably never gonna use it, but we'll set it to dark mode anyways. Okay, so I can't click on these two, so I'm assuming that those are fine. Next. Finish. It is possible for setup Android.bat to fail during a later step, as it will be unable to locate needed files. Okay, so yeah, so you do want to leave it at the default path. That is good. I have done that. Okay, and then I think I just need to download the command line tools. Yeah, we want version 8 specifically. I think that's all I have to do. I think so long as I have those command line tools, I'm all good. Fingers crossed. How's this packaging going, by the way? Wait, is that 100 or is that 700? Oh, that's 700. I thought that said 100. Oh no, it went on to the next phase. Okay, yeah, I was thinking right here. That threw me off for a second. Oh well, it'll be fine. Finish. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Configure SDK manager, and in here, I don't think I need that. Here we go. SDK command line tools. I need 8.0. I think that's all I need. We will find out right now, I guess. Oh, perfect. Okay. Finish. I'm going to go and leave that open for a second, just in case I do something wrong. Or I guess did something wrong. Let's see your home. UE 5.2, engine, extras, Android. All right. hopefully this will work. Set up Android. Oh. I think this is a good sign. I've had issues so far on Linux. I've not been able to set this up fully correctly. Which is part of the reason I still have my Windows installed too, because Windows still has Android and everything set up correctly. So hopefully, I don't remember it saying before. Maybe I missed it. Maybe I went too fast through it. But I don't remember it saying that there was an issue with the setup Android shell file. So that could have been the only issue. So see if you are using an early version of Unreal Engine, alongside, you may need to manually set. Okay, so I shouldn't need to target it or anything. It should be fine. Oh, it says success. Okay, that might actually be a little better. I think before I was getting a bunch of lines and then everything was just failing out. Okay, so hopefully everything is all set up correctly. I don't know that I'll see it in here until I restart the editor. I might need to restart it real quick. But unfortunately, this is still going through. Let me see if I can do a little bit of something else, because I really don't want to just kind of sit here and let it go. So I'm going to see if I can do a little of anything else right now. Let's see here. So I was working on this, which I think I may need to partially test in the headset. So my idea here, I want to create like little rifts and stuff that players can see out of the dungeon and I want to do that partially to kind of make it known that there's like lots of different areas outside of like lots of other worlds and stuff that are all just kind of colliding in on one another. Am I in game mode? No, I'm not. Why do I only see one? Anyways, so I wanted to see if I could find a way to like clip these meshes so they could only be seen. I found a couple of guides and tutorials and I was trying this, but I think this one might work, but I think I need to be in the headset to test it. Actually, that's not true. I think I just need a camera to test it. So let's do this. Let's create... I'm going to put together a character real quick because I did also want to make this... I did want to have the opportunity for there to be PC players as well. So let's do this. Oh man, it's been forever since I've done like just a regular PC player. Let's do this. Come on. Let me do this then. Come on. Blueprint class. Okay. Got it. PC player. Actually, I'll call it PC character. I want to try and keep it a little bit uniform. I have VR character and I have PC character. Did I put... No, I didn't. Okay. I might need to put like an underscore or something in there just to make it make a little bit more sense. But let's see this. So I should already mostly be set up. So that way I can drop in just regular players. So let me see here. Where is... I think it's in here. No. Hold on. What was the name of my character? Selected VR controller. I think it was this one. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay. So I might need to restart this though with the without the VR headset connected in order to get this. But let's see here. Okay. So I think inputs are pretty simple for players if I recall. I think I just need... Hold on. I need to like organize all this. I need to go through and just like organize all my stuff because I have like just a bunch of just random stuff in here I really don't need. Why is it not letting me type? drop that in there. Move that here. Okay, and then I'm going to need some inputs here. So let's see here. I'm in the wrong section. Inputs. Let's see. I believe... Let me see if I can remember. I think I need an input action. Okay, well this is something new I was not aware of. IA underscore forward. Okay, IA. Ooh. Underscore. I'll just call this one right. Actually, I think I can actually. Let's see. We would want D. That's going to be positive. And A, which is going to be our negative. So I don't actually know if I'm using this modifier correctly, but I'm assuming that the negate one will kind of invert it, which is what I want. Mappable, save, no, PC character. Let me see here. I need input. I think I need to do this in the player character, if I recall. Let me see. Where's my VR character? I've done this in the VR character. Here, tracking origin. Here we go, mapping context. So I need these. This will make testing a little bit easier too, because I don't always have my my stuff on me. So this will make things a little bit easier, and then just add mapping context. I also want to check to make sure it's valid. Go. I don't think I need any options or anything like that. Let me real quick. Am I gonna cause a crash if I do this? It's probably gonna stop the packaging at the very least. Oh. Oh no, it's only halfway through. Let me see. I'm gonna give it a shot. Let me see here. I think this froze Unreal Engine. I don't think it's happy that I was doing this while while it's packaging. Let me terminate this real quick. I might just have to package this on my own time. On the plus side, this will give me a chance to see if the Android stuff works. Let me see here. I'm gonna do this real quick. Hold on. Let's do this. Close this down real quick. Just real quick, because I want to see if the PC character is working. I don't know if I might be using the PC character for a lot, or if I'll actually end up using it in the final game. I would like to. Let me see here. Side quest. No projects. Well, that would explain a lot. I was curious why it was saying that I had no viewers. Because usually at the very least have one or two. I was looking through the statistics right now. Or the analytics. And apparently I had this stream is unlisted for some reason. I don't know why that's an option for streams. If you're doing a live stream, why would you want it unlisted? Well, unless you only want to share with specific people or something? I don't really know. Oh well. We're public now. We're going to see if this is working. Okay, let's check a couple of things here. Android. Oh, I don't see anything here, but I am noticing that it's no longer giving me the option to accept the SDK license, so maybe this is all good. Okay, one thing at a time real quick. Hold on. Let me make sure. Yep, my headset's unplugged. Oh, okay, yep. I think... Hold on. Was it Shift F1 to... Yeah. Outliner. Yeah, perfect. We got our character. Nice. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, hold on. Real quick, because we're having some VR issues, and I really want to test some of this at least. I won't be able to test the combat stuff for VR as easily, but I'm going to try this anyways. Let me see here. Oh, it took out my rate. Oh, what the heck? Input action, IA right. It's alright. So give me the opportunity to do the rest. Input action, IA underscore mouse. Let's go and save all of that. Actually, I think I need to jump into the mouse and change this real quick. Yeah, value type, we want this as 2D. Right, IA underscore right. Oh, it saved it. Oh, awesome. That works. Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing. I think I need to move that light. That light's getting in my way. Mouse. I think I can go 2D. Yes, I can. Mouse, XY, 2D axis. Perfect. Okay, let's get our mouse. I don't actually remember how to do the mouse controls. We're gonna find out right now. Hold on. Right. IA underscore forward. There we go. At the very least, the inputs are easy. Hold on. Input. I think it's called input something. Maybe add input. Here we go. Add input vector for character movement. Started. This is not coming out as the right value. Hold on. Axis 1D. Axis 1D. Let me see. Did that change anything in here? I don't think it did, right? No. I still got all my negates and everything, so hopefully this will still work. Hold on. No, we want this on triggered, I think, not started. I think started only initiates once at the start. I want to keep this going. And I can use the arrow here. Get... Oh, wait, this is the right. Hold on, get right. Vector. Multiply. This. This. There's that. And then let me just copy all this, bring this down. Triggered. There. Get forward vector. Let me just make sure these inputs work correctly first before I move on to the mouse. Okay, hold on. Let's use active forward vector then. I think that'll still work. Vector. I think that should work. Oh, perfect. The negate does exactly what I was hoping it would. Cool. Let me real quick. I really want to see this. If this works. I can't tell. Okay, let's get the mouse controls in. I really wanted to see if I could figure out if this was working. I don't know that it is because I feel like I should still be able to see it here. There it is. This one. Oh yeah, no, I wouldn't have been able to see that anyways. Okay, that's fine. Let's get or no. Add actor rotation. I'm gonna do this. I'll just do the X for now. I won't worry about up and down because I think up and down needs to go to the camera. Wait, no, this needs to go to Z, not X. And really, I really just need this to check this. Why is it not moving? Can I use this maybe? So I know I'm getting the inputs correctly. So why am I not able to move? Let me try something a little different. Get actor rotation. If I just do this. Set actor rotation. X, Y, plus X, Z. No, why can I not move around? This is so weird. I'm not locked, am I? No. Okay, let's do this then. Because really I just needed this to test everything and make sure it was working. Or at least some of this. So let's do this instead. Hold on. Where is, I think it's a lower, this. Okay. Ooh. We'll grab this, this, and this. We will do this. Just rotate it 90. And this should be enough so I can test. Let's see if this is working. Okay, it is not. I didn't think it would be. Yeah, sample mesh is right here. Details, cylinder. And then I set this so that way it would get its new graph, the construction script. Hello, Polymer. How you doing? Create dynamic material instance. We set this material. Order shouldn't matter. Let me do this just in case. Hold on. me see. Yeah, no, it's still not working. Man, that's so disappointing. I really want for this to work. Hold on. Let's see this. Get actor location. Get world location. I mean, I could get the world location of the stack mesh component. How are you? Did I say how are you doing, Polymer? I don't know if I did or not. I think I did, but I'm not sure. I'm like all distracted trying to get this to work. I'm doing excellent today. I am trying to see if I can get this to work, and it does not seem to want to. I'm trying to get like a mesh that'll like clip with like the cylinders here. It doesn't seem to be. Unless, maybe, do these need to be reversed? This might be a little stupid, but I'm going to try it real quick. Could be like it's a one-directional thing. No, it is not. Let me make sure real quick that this is not moving. Hold on. Collision. Hold on. Let me try something real quick. Nothing here. Outliner. Okay, yes, it is still there. Okay, so I apparently did something wrong with this mesh, or it just straight up doesn't work. Both of which are terrible. Okay, let's try. I'm just like all over the place. I have so many things that I have to do still for this project. Okay, you know what? This isn't a priority right now, so I'm gonna leave this right now. Let me. Oh man, problem is everything that I really wanted to do today, I need my VR headset for, and my VR headset is just not working. I can't tell if this is. I think maybe I've screwed something up in the Android settings somewhere. Let me try this. Continue. Documents. Let me see. I'm going to try seeing if I could package this for Android. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Oh. That was just an immediate error. Let me try real quick. I'm going to try with my headset again. Hold on. I don't know what it is. I think it's... I can't tell. This was working for like the past month that I've been doing this. And then in the last week, everything just stopped working with my headset. And I don't know why. Let me restart LVR real quick. So I don't know if this is a Linux issue or if I screwed up something in like the project settings or something like that. But like everything that I need to do requires me to have my headset because I basically at this point need to test a bunch of VR stuff. And I can't get my VR headset to work with Unreal specifically. Like it works perfectly fine in Steam VR. It works with the Steam VR Home and all that. But like the moment I try running it in Unreal Engine, it just doesn't work. And I can't figure out why. I'm pretty sure I just screwed something up in like the project settings, or maybe I enabled a plugin that just breaks everything or something like that. Saying next up in the headset. I'll give it a second. I'm gonna leave it until it either crashes or eventually boots up, because one or the other has to happen, I'm sure. And if it crashes, I'm gonna check the logs to see if maybe the logs give me a hint. Why was that visible? I just realized that I have a sphere there that was not supposed to be visible at all. All right. I'll check on that when I open the project again. That threw me off. I was looking at the frozen screen and realized that I have something that I should not be able to see. That's weird. Okay, can I change? There we go. 44 minutes ago, just now. Here we go. I need this one. Was open and contain lines longer than the configured line length, 10,000 characters, longest. Jesus Christ. What line is 16,000 characters long? Okay, let's see here. Okay, here we go. Here's ours. Recreating DT nav mesh instance due to nav mesh origin. Usually the recast not being aligned with. Wait, does that mean that? Hold on. Let me make sure I'm going all the way back. It looks like this is the earliest warning. So it looks like we got some. I can't tell if these are warnings or... Oh, it is a warning. Okay, there it is. So we got a couple warnings on the mannequin. Log motion controller component warning. B display is deprecated. XR device visualization component instead. So we got a bunch of deprecated issues, it looks like. Oh, is this an EOS issue? Oh, this might make sense. The EOS plugin hasn't been working on Linux. Failed to create all visibility mask meshes for device views. I don't know what this one is. Log HMD. Failed to create all visibility mask meshes for device views. Oh, and then we get an error, invalid attempt to write memory address. Okay, so I think there's a couple of issues here. So let me try disabling EOS. I think that's going to be the first thing that I try, because that seems like it could be one of the issues, which makes sense. I think I enabled it about the time that I started having this issue, so maybe that's the problem. Failed to create all visibility mask meshes. I don't know what this one means. I might have to check this one. Okay, so let's try this. I'm gonna disable the EOS plugin. I'm not using it right now anyways, so I enabled it because I was trying to see if a listen server would work cross-platform, which it does mostly. The Quest 2 crashed a couple times. I can't tell if that's an issue with the level specifically or if that was legitimately some kind of listen server issue. But my plan is if I can get listen servers to work reliably. Yeah, it is here. What the heck? I mean, it's not working correctly, but it is working. How did I do this? I think this has the wrong angle though. Look at that. Huh. I think this has like some incorrect values or something, but okay. Well, good thing is I can test this in the viewports. That's good. At least I know that for when I get back to this. I don't know why it's got the incorrect values though. That is so weird. Oh, look at that. It works too if I get behind it. Let me see. What about this one? Yeah, that one's still not working. Okay. That is so weird. Hold on. It seems to work if I'm like over it. I think it's got like maybe I need to swap around some of the axes or something. Because it looks to me. Yeah, I think this needs to have like some of its axes swapped or something like that. I don't know why it's cropping like that. Oh well, let me try real quick the EOS plugin, and then we will move on to trying all that. I'm pretty sure I need this socket subsystem EOS too. Yes. 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 There we go. And I think that disabled all my EOS stuff. Nice. Cool. Go and restart. This is going to be awesome if that was like my only issue with not being able to launch Unreal in VR. Go. I'm gonna wait for the navigation to finish first because I don't feel like breaking things. There we go. Okay. Okay, it doesn't look like this is starting again. Let me see. This one. Yeah, see, this seems to be the other issue. I don't know why this is happening. And then it also looks like there's some other issue here. I don't know what that one is. Let's do one thing at a time. Hold on. That could be due to the opacity mask. That is what that sphere is. Failed to create all visibility mask meshes for devices slash views. I'm gonna try removing that mesh. See if that might work. It's not a priority right now. I would like to see if I can get that to work. Because I think it'll be really cool for the environment. But I'm going to remove that mesh for now. I'm going to remove the other one too that I have. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. Because maybe that is the only issue. I don't think it is because I think I've been having this issue for a little bit longer than I've had that mesh in. But we'll start there. And I know the one sphere is using an opacity mask too. So it could very well be that it's just having some issue here. So I'll get rid of these ones. Okay, and just to be sure, I'm also going to just build all levels just to make sure there's no issues there. Unreal Light Mask executable is outdated. Oh. I don't know why. So apparently I've just broken everything. Hold on. I can try this and see if this might be the issue. Looks like this should actually be pretty easy. This is the only issue. Terminate. Let's see. Home, UE, 5.2. Let's see, we need to be an engine, build, batch files, Linux. Let's see, so we need to run this. If this happens to be my only issue, this is going to be amazing, but I'm also going to be really irritated because this shouldn't have been an issue in the first place. While I was doing that, I've been wanting to try this. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I've been really wanting to try this. I've been wanting to see if I could use a bottle to build for Windows without ever having to be on Windows. I don't know if this is the best solution because I feel like I should be testing on Windows anyways. But if I don't have to be swapping between a Windows and Linux OS constantly, this is just going to make my life a whole lot easier. Because then I can just build it on Linux. I have like an old computer I can load up Windows onto and just swap it on that one. But yeah, it's either this or a VM, and this just seems a little bit easier. I've also been thinking about seeing if I could find a way to take that old PC, just load Windows on it, and then just have it so that way I can have maybe like a Subversion setup or something, and just have it so that way it'll automatically pull any changes and just automatically keep a recent Windows build. That would also make things a lot easier. Because if I could do that, if I could figure out how to do that for Windows and it was fairly easy to do, I could also do that for like Linux, Android. Honestly, I think that would be the only other two versions I would need to. There's not a lot. There's actually not a lot of different platforms that do VR. Actually, no. There's HoloLens. I don't know if HoloLens uses Android. I know it shows up as a build option, or as a packaging option, supported platform. That's what I'm thinking of. I don't know if there's really many else. Windows, Linux, Android, and the HoloLens, whatever that is. I opened the wrong thing. Hold on. I did actually try running Fortnite in a bottle too. I was actually surprised. I was able to get through the connection stage, but before it would let me into like the actual menu where you could hit play and all that, is when it finally crashed out, which is pretty annoying. Other than that, though, if I could just figure out how to get past that, that'd be awesome. I don't play Fortnite a whole lot. But I feel like Fortnite is like one of those games, like you just have to figure out a way to get past their anti-cheat. And if you can figure out that, then you can kind of figure out the rest. Because it's like one of the more, popular games that have an anti-cheat on it, I would say. That and Call of Duty. But I haven't really liked the last few Call of Duties, if I'm completely honest. Projects, Neo, there we go. I'm just gonna minimize that for now. One thing at a time. My headset still on? Nice. I think ALVR keeps my headset on. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it does. Either that or it's just the fact that I have tape in front of the sensor and it's just been working really well right now. Alright, let's see here. Oh, did it build out the lighting and everything? Oh, cool. Like shaders. Building lighting. Yep, it's building lighting right now. Building I don't think I have any reflection capture. Do I have a reflection capture in the scene? Okay. I don't think I have any reflection captures in this scene, but all right. Well, that's doing that. Let me get back to this. Let's go and create a new bottle. I'm gonna do this one. I'll just shorten it to dev. Create. Oh, wait. Oh, that's interesting. Apparently, Unreal gives all locations a black border. Nice. Hold on. Let's do this. There we go. It's all right. It's still working in the background. I can still see that number going up. Hello, Technocrats. How you doing today? That was completely unnecessary, but I still enjoyed making it all black. Oh, there we go. Close. All right, let's install real quick. Epic Games. I'm wondering too if I can use this to download like plugins and stuff. I did find out actually, in case anybody else is on Linux, I did find out there is actually an application. I forget what it was called. I think I saw it on the I think I saw it on here. Hold on. But there is an application that'll let you download plugins and things. Epic. Which is awesome. Yeah, this one, Epic Asset Manager. It seems to mostly do all right. It lets you download games too, which I had tried, but like obviously it doesn't run them. I think Heroic or Bottles are best for that. And now we wait. That lighting's taking quite a while too. I don't know why that has taken so long. Although I don't even know how long it's been since I built lighting or anything, so I guess that kind of makes sense. I'm gonna do this. Hold on. Since we're waiting on all this, I'm gonna do this. Hold on. Let's find something else to do here. Oh no. Hold on. What is Minesweeper? Minesweeper. Actually, I might even just be able to install that on here. We're gonna do some Minesweeper now. Hold on. Let's see here. Can I change the settings? Okay, I guess I can. Let's see here. Oh, perfect. That one. Wait, no. That one's good. Wait. Nope, that one's good too. Ah, I wasn't paying attention. Hold on. Let's do this. Hold on. We're going to zoom in a bit. Can I change? Oh, here we go. 20, 30, 45. Let's do this. Hold on. I'm going to do 100. Oh. All right. That'll work. Let me see. How's this going, by the way? 96. Okay, it's nearly done. Let's see here. Oh, I think it might have just finished. Hold on. Perfect. It did. All right. Let's see if this might have fixed my VR issues. Okay. Fingers crossed. I do not think this fixed my VR issues. Oh, cool. That just finished too. Add that one to library. I'll close that one for a second. Okay, that did not seem to fix my issues. All right, back to logs. Let's see here. Saved logs. I think it might be this one, this 18 minutes ago one. I'm still getting this error. This failed to create all visibility mask meshes. I'm pretty sure this is what's causing my issue. I'm also getting some array issue from somewhere, but I'm not sure where that's coming from. I don't think I was running into that issue before. Creating DT nav mesh instance due to save mesh origin. What is this one? Requesting 10-bit swap chain but not supported. Fallback to 8 BPC. Could it be that this is this warning here is causing this error? Load subsystem module EOS failed. Wait, why am I still getting the EOS load subsystem failure? Wait a second. Hold on. There's something wrong here. Let me check something here. Config. Oh, that's why. Okay, we have all the PlayFab stuff in here. What is... I think comments for these are semicolons, if I recall. Sure is. Perfect. We're just going to comment all this out, just in case I decide to come back to the PlayFab stuff. I wasn't really fond of PlayFab, to be honest. There were a few issues that I was having that I couldn't figure out. I think it might have been that they were unsupported features, but I'm not entirely sure. But PlayFab's just a huge mess to deal with. So I am just going to take out all this PlayFab stuff. Let's see. We got all this. Yep, online subsystem. I think this is all for PlayFab. Yeah, this is for PlayFab. Then we have this thing that says EOS. I don't remember what that's for. I don't know if that's for... I'll leave that alone. These I remember are for PlayFab. I believe this is supposed to be for like the cross-platform stuff. Um, I don't remember adding in this EOS stuff. I thought these had to be added in manually. I'm so confused right now. I don't know why I have this here. I don't remember adding any of this in. And I thought all of this stuff needed to be added in manually. I guess I'll leave it for now. Let me restart this real quick. I'm going to try real quick, see if that the release gets rid of that EOS error. Actually, should I be taking EOS out altogether if I'm no longer using it? I might need to. Might not be a bad idea for me to have the EOS stuff out until I finally get the listen server working reliably. Let me try this real quick. I think this may be not working still. Why do you refuse to work? Grab this one. Got a bunch of warnings. I don't think that's an error. Yeah, 0 errors, 0 warnings. Okay, I no longer have the EOS error, it looks like. I think I got rid of that one. So I think it's just whatever this error is. I don't know what's causing this one. Failed to create all visibility mask meshes for device flash views. Landscape. I don't think this is a landscape issue. I don't have any landscapes. Oh, I accidentally caps locked. There we go. Cannot find a compatible working device that supports Surface presentation. Warning should be further looked at. Test if Vulkan is working properly. Hold on. What is it? I am so confused right now. I'm really trying to figure out what's going on here. Let's try. I'm gonna try checking the project. Why is this open? I'm gonna try checking project settings real quick. Because it could be that's a project setting issue. Let's see here. Project settings. Hey, let's check the rendering real quick. I'm gonna try enabling this just in case. I don't think this is what the issue is, but I'm gonna try enabling that just in case. Android SDK. I'm honestly not entirely sure what would be causing this issue. Worst comes to worst, I can try packaging it, and I'm expecting I'd either get an error or it'll work just fine. I might just have to try that. It's gonna be a pain to have to do. But I don't know what else it could be. Let me try this real quick. I'm gonna try this one more time. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna try packaging, and I'm expecting I'd either get an error or everything would work fine. But either way, hopefully at the very least I can start testing things again. I don't like having to package it like every time I have to test something because it just takes way too long. But it might just be the only option that I have. Oh, you know what? This is also using standalone. I remember listen servers sometimes work better. Hold on. Let's try this. Hold on. Let's close this down. Because I want to use listen servers anyways, so it's good for me to test on the listen server anyways. Let me check this. I remember I had this issue before, where standalone wouldn't work, but listen servers work just fine. So we're going to try this. My headset still on? Yes, it is. I hope the battery's not close to dead on this thing. Net mode. Try listen server. this doesn't work, also try dedicated server. I think this one's a no. Terminate. It could also be too that I need to remove some of these like maybe I need to clear out these folders again. The binaries, drive data cache, intermediate, all these. Try relaunching it. I haven't tried that yet. Okay, client. Oh. Oh wait, it actually did something. Hold on. I don't see anything in the headset. It updated for a second. Hold on. Oh, and I do see my logs in the top left. But that is all that I see right now. I wonder if it's possible it's something in my VR character. Cause now I'm wondering, right? Because if it's working on a dedicated server, I'm gonna try a couple things here. Hold on. I'm gonna remove all these folders real quick. These unnecessary ones. Drive data cache, intermediate saved. Try rebuilding real quick. I wonder, because if it's using a dedicated server, it's possible it could be loading me in, and then when it spawns in the character, maybe there's some issue. So maybe I need to try real quick and see if removing the character fixes it. If that's the case, at the very least I can fix that. Okay, so let's try this first. I use a dedicated server since that seemed to get the closest. Okay, I think it froze again. Yeah, I just see the logs on top left. Oh man, this is a pain. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna try real quick. I'm gonna remove the VR character from spawning for a second. I'm gonna see if it's a VR character issue. I'm trying to think though. I don't think I've done very much to the VR character recently. I don't know what could be causing this issue if it is the VR character. Alright, let's see this. settings, maps, game mode, open up the controller. I mean, I have been thinking about redesigning the character one more time anyways, so I guess it wouldn't be the worst thing if it was just the character. That. Sure, still on this client. Yes, we are. Okay. And that freezes again. No. So there has to be something going on the level. I just don't know what it is. I'm going to try something real quick. Hold on. I got an idea. I got something to try. I'm going to load up a different level. Because if I'm able to spawn into a different level, at the very least, that means that it's something isolated within my demo level. If it really comes to it, I can just recreate everything that I need. I'd really like not to, but if it really comes to it, I can just recreate everything that I need in a new demo level. Let's see. I think this is the start menu. Sure is. All right, let's give that 1 second. Standalone, play. Fingers crossed. Oh, hold on. And no, it froze again. I'll give it a second, but... .30.41. Oh, cool. I didn't think I downloaded this driver correctly. Good thing to know I did. 5:30.41.03. Could this be what the issue is? VK KHR external semaphore capabilities. Core extension less, adding it on the fly. Yep, and then we got a bunch of warnings with the mannequin again. Oh, I did actually get something it looks like. Hold on. Well, my log did turn out differently this time. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing yet. VR client.so unknown function. Hold on. I'm gonna check something real quick. Hold on. Hold on. Nope. Okay, I was hoping there was the settings for the NVIDIA driver. Could it potentially have to do with this VKKHR external semaphore capabilities? Wait. I mean, I could try going back to the last driver that I was using. I mean, I guess it's possible that maybe Vulkan just isn't working. Test if Vulkan is working properly by running a native Vulkan game on NVIDIA GPU, or install a native Vulkan benchmark for Linux like Gravity Mark. Let me try this real quick. Hold on. What is this? Telewism engine. We provide first class quest. Hold on. Gravity Mark. We'll try running this real quick. Hold on. Gravity Mark. I don't think I've ever used a .run command or a .run file. I don't know that I want to trust that. I'll be honest. I've never used Gravity Mark or anything like that, so I don't know. I mean, I have some benchmarking stuff on Steam. I could try running one of those. I don't know which ones use Vulkan, though, is the only thing. Let's try this. Let's try 3D Mark. Into environment, your VR HMD as well as your desktop. Okay. I don't think I've ever needed that key for 3D Mark. But I'm copying it anyways, just in case. Let's see what happens. Because I'm honestly at a loss right now. I really need to be able to test this